Okay, this is one that some people had trouble with on our quiz. We're using the law of detachment and the law of syllogism together. What we're doing is we're saying we're going to use the law of syllogism to come up with the combined conditional statement, and then we're going to use a fact that they give us that should prove the hypothesis as true in order to lead to the conclusion being true. So first thing is this, okay? Use law of detachment and law of syllogism to draw a conclusion. Well, first, let's just write the new conditional statement. Okay, if it is Friday night, because actually I should point out, we have the conclusion of this one, there's a football game, is the hypothesis of this one, there's a football game. Okay, so we can take this hypothesis and this conclusion and put them together. If it is Friday night, Joseph is wearing his school colors. And by the way, um, that is not the final answer. And this actually, you don't want it to be part of the answer. What you want to have as the final answer is just this part, because check it out. They tell us, okay, now it is Friday night. So now that we've got the new conditional statement, we say, look, we were told that the hypothesis, it's Friday night, is true. So therefore, it leads us to the conclusion, which is simply this: Joseph is wearing his school colors. Okay, and again, in fact, that part is not actually part of it. It's simply just this answer right here, that Joseph is wearing his school colors. You put it through the whole kind of thing of saying, if it's Friday night and there's a football game, there's a football game, then Joseph is wearing his colors, and it is Friday night, so therefore it leads all the way to that. Okay, number 42, and let's box it here. Number 42, use the law of detachment and the law of syllogism to draw a conclusion. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to first look to make sure that the conclusion of one, okay, it weighs more than Jill's car, is the hypothesis of the other. Something weighs more than Jill's car. So therefore, I can do a screen grab here, and I can just say, I'm going to use the hypothesis of this one, along with the conclusion of this one, to put it together to be, the new conditional statement. And once I have that new conditional statement, what I need to do is say, now do I have the information that shows that the hypothesis of this new combined conditional is true, if an elephant weighs more than 2,000 pounds. So do we have a statement that says an elephant weighs more than 2,000 pounds? Yeah, we do. Smiley the elephant weighs 2,150 pounds. Therefore, we can say it is too heavy for the bridge. That is the solution to this, the conclusion that we draw. Okay? Done.